Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Nikki, and happy Good Friday to you guys. Guys, I know I was missing in action for a very long time. I see you guys comment, Nikki, when you coming back, when you posting. Well, here is me now. With my humble apology, please accept it. I am so sorry. I was so busy, but now I'm back with a Easter crust buns. Remember, today is Good Friday, guys. So I'm out here wishing you guys a happy Good Friday, and I hope you guys enjoy your Easter holiday. So here I have my ingredients laid out for my hard crust buns. So what I'm going by is 1 cup of brown sugar, and I go with 3 tablespoons of butter. This is a salted one, so I don't have to put any salt inside. So in here I have some currants and raisin as well. And over here in my bowl I have 1 pack of yeast, I have ground nutmeg, cinnamon, and some ground spice. I'll be using that. And over here I have 3.5 cups of flour. And over here I have 2.5 cups of milk. Yes, I'm doing this with milk. If you want, guys, you can use water, warm water, because my milk is warm and not too warm. You want it in between. And I will be using a mixer today. I will not be using my hand. But you don't know, we roll with dough, parcel it out, we have to use my hand. So here is all my measuring spoon I will be using, so you guys will know the measurement for everything. And I will not be putting any egg in here, guys. No egg, no rank on Good Friday. And we will still have the same amazing taste that we always get. So let's get started. In my mixer, the first thing I'll be adding in is the milk. Not all of it, some of it. When I add in my milk, I'll be adding in my sugar. I don't want my crust buns to be too sweet because I'm not a fan of that. And in my raisin, and currants, we are doing some water. If you want, you can soak it with alcohol, that's up to you, but I'm not doing that. So I'm going to put this aside. So I turn on my mixer. I'm already adding in now is my butter. Going with 1 pack of dry yeast, and adding some more milk, so we're going to turn this off. As you can see in here, we're going to leave it for 5 minutes so the yeast can do its work in the warm milk and the butter. And then I will get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back. After 5 minutes, I'm going in with my mixed essence. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon. And then I'm going to change, and I will go in with 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. Add it in there. Nutmeg is a very strong something, so I'm going with 1/2 tablespoon as well. But it will not be a full half about this. It's very strong. And then I'm going in with the same amount with the ground spice. 1/2 to drain the water out of my raisin and currants. And then we're going to throw it in here. So remember, my butter, I use salted butter. So I'm now going to add in, I will not be adding in any more salt to it. So I'm going to put this down. I'm going to turn this on. Everything mixed in. Not too far. So now that I'm mixing, we're going in with our flour. So remember, in here is 3 cups and a half. So I'm going in with the flour a little bit at a time. Raise it up, and you can scrape the sides. I'm going to put it on back and continue doing the same. You can turn it up if you want. So we'll get in with a spoon so we can mix and scrape the sides. Okay guys, so here is it. As you can see, I'm cleaning the side, and now I'm checking the dough to see if I'm okay with it. But you can see it's still sticky a little. So what we're going to do is scrape the sides down, and then we're going to add back a little more flour. We don't want it too stiff, neither too soft. Till we put our hand and we cannot see anything coming in it, it's okay. So I'm going to add a little more flour. And the next thing, guys, make sure you sieve your flour so you can get a better mix. Fluffy too, soft. So you're going to put it down. We're going to put it on. And then we're going to turn this on slow. So that comes together. Give it just about 5 minutes. So the dough should come together perfect, and then you're going to leave it right in there to rise. And when it rises, we'll move on to the next step. You can see how it's coming together perfect. All the current, if the bowl is clean, this will be the best of it. So you can see there it stops to the side, so we need to stop it. Then we're going to raise the top. To clean on here, and then we're going to leave it but test the dough. So you can see you use a dry finger to see it sticking. And when it's not sticking, we're going to clean this out, and then we're going to cover this and let this double in size. And then it double in size, guys, I'm going to get back to you. Okay guys, here's my dough that double in size. So on my countertop, make sure it's clean. You're going to wipe it, and then you're going to flour it. Sure the dough out on top of it, just like. Then we're going to flour our hands, then we're going to knead it. I'm going to ball it out, small section that I need for that size. So I finish my pieces, now I'm going to put it up, and then I'm going to roll it into a small smooth ball. You can do it like this, or you can do it a different way. I'm going to put this here, and you can put it in your hand, or you can do it like this. And then, so when I finish, guys, I will get back to you. Okay guys, I'm back. So now I'm finished, guys. So onto my dough, I have 12. So what I'm going to do is grease my pan, put them inside. So I finish, I butter my pan, and then I put some flour. Then I shake it around like this until all sides is coated. And now I'm going to put my doughs in. So I finished panning it. So I'm going to take a paper towel, cover it, so it can double in size again. And then we're going to work on the crust by the top of the crust. So I'm going to put this here and then double in size. So here, guys, I have some flour, and I will be using the same milk that I had left over. So we add it in here, and we're going to bring this together. You don't want it too watery. Add some more. So this is the consistency we're looking for. So you're going to leave this. So when it doubles in size, we're going to put this on top of it. So if it, to me, it'll take for me, so I'm going to add in some more. If you can work with it like that, you just go ahead. That's it. Okay guys, so now it doubled in size and I put my crust on top. So now I'm going to put it into my oven for 20 minutes. I'll check in on it, but I'm looking to bake this at 25 minutes. So depends on your oven, it might get different times. So that's it. I can put this in the oven and I will get back to you guys after. Hi guys, welcome back. So right now guys, my croissants is finished. It takes me 20 minutes for bake. Okay, so here is my glaze. Just some sugar, some water, and a little bit of melted butter. That's all I put in here. So you're going to rub it on top of it just to give it that shine. That's all we're looking for. This way. That's it guys. Okay guys, so this is my finishing of my hot cross buns. As you can see, and here I have my cheese. Guys, I just love how it come out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, don't forget to give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below, okay guys, and let me know what you guys think. And happy Easter and happy Good Friday to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the long weekends. And again, I am so sorry to be away from you guys so long. I am so sorry. So enjoy, take care, bye.